Hi, this is the user guide for the project that I will be demonstrating right now. The first thing you see when you enter the system is a login form that the user needs to put in their credentials to get into the system. If the user doesn't put in the credentials, they won't have access to the other pages in the system. This is demonstrated right now. We're just using dummy data, so I'm just going to click on submit for now. Here you can see the table or the schedule of all the different tasks the team leader and the employees will have access to once they enter the system. Here you can see employees. When you click on it, you can see the details, who is responsible, what type of analysis this is, and you can see the comment in here as well. Hover over the comment and you will see the date of the comments. You can also add comments here as well. And you can edit this task as well. So let's edit it. Let's change the analysis. Probably will be the same. And let's reduce the time maybe. So let's it would last for a couple of hours now. And now it's updated. You can also delete the task as well. And this is all real-time data, so it'll be updated on all the different views that the users are logged into. All the users will be able to see real-time data. So if I open a new tab right now and access the system from that tab, so now I'm into the system, and now a task will be added, and it should be updating here immediately afterwards. So let's add a task. And this. And now the both views are updated immediately. Another page that team leaders will have access to is the employees page. Here they will be able to keep track of all the employees. Oh, I forgot to mention, on the schedule you can also search all the different tasks by the name. For example, go in here, I can see all the nitrogen tasks. I can also search the task by who has made it. Now, second page is the employees page. Here the team leaders will have access to all the employees. They will be able to search among the employees, and they will be able to add employees as well and delete employees. So deleted an employee right now. Let's add someone. Just calling it test for now. Doesn't matter. And it will be updated. And this is of course also real time, so both views will be updated at the same time if you add something in here. The same functionality is also made for the training page. The purpose of the training page is for the team leaders to see what analysis each of the employees is trained in. And they can add and delete and search in here as well. The same principle is also for the analysis page. Then there is also the staff time page. On this page, the team leader can see the working hours of the employees within a given time frame and what analysis have that amount of hours. So if you click on set date, pick a start date, let's pick the 1st April. and then you pick end dates and you click on submit now. You will have all the hours worked for each of these analysis available in the system. Yes, and this is the prototype for Eurofins system, and of course you can also have access to a profile that needs to, yes, and if you click on something in here, the records, you will have access to that, a page for that records as well, and you can log out from the system as well. You log out here, and then you will be redirected out from the system, and then you will be redirected to the login form again, and you can access the system. So this is the prototype, and this is the user guide for this prototype. Thank you for watching this.